I just wanna feel like this. Living life, no regrets. Hands up in the air like ooh. Nothing's gonna break my ooh. Yeah, I just
Welcome,
wanna
our
feel
birthday
like
celebrant. Come on, let's give a round of applause. Palakpakan po natin. Josh, Kyrie, together with Mommy and Daddy.
feel like this. Feel like this. I just wanna feel like sun.
Kyrie, alam ko hindi mo to nakikita ngayon na first birthday mo. Masaya kami ng papa mo. Alam ko sa paglaki mo, makikita mo to at ma-appreciate mo yung effort namin sa'yo. Sana maging mabuti kang bata at magalang, mapagmahal sa family, lalo na kay Lord. Yun lang, Kyle. Happy birthday!
To write myself into this story. So
Happy birthday. Sana lumaki ang maayos, magalang sa nakakatanda. Sumunod ka sa amin, sa mama at papa mo, sa lolo, lola, tito, tita, tsaka sa mga ninong mo. At tsaka enjoyin mo yung pagiging bata mo kasi pagka dumating ka na rin sa point na kagaya namin, asawa ka na. Mo yan lang.
Malalagpasan mo din lahat ng pagsubok.
feel like this. Feel like this. I just wanna feel like laughing with my friends, making music in the studio. Write a couple songs, maybe hear them on the radio. I wanna feel like I'm ahead of the curve, yeah. So far off the ground, like I'm on top of the world, yeah. I wanna hear the crowds like I'm playing in a stadium. People screaming loud while I'm standing on the podium. Look into the camera, how you feel right now. Grab the microphone and tell the world that I just wanna feel like.
Mula nung dumating si Kyrie, iwas na sa barkada. Siyempre priority si Kyrie lagi. Masaya na mahirap pero masaya. Enjoy
Masaya
naman
naman.
habang pinapalaki siya.
Yes, inspiration.
Para
Siya pa yun.
magsipag kami, para mabigyan namin siya ng magandang future.
Nakakawala ng
Magandang buhay.
pagod pag uuwi sa bahay, nakikita namin siya. Kasi siya yung inspiration namin.
I just wanna feel like this. Living life, no